New learning means there is a mine here, but the first time you are not penalized because you didn't know that. So it's new learning. That means you have to exit the minefield exactly the way that you entered it. So this person has to step from here to here and off the field. Old learning means there is a mine, which means you just blew up. So there are penalties for old learning, penalties for any talking. And if you do not exit the minefield the way you came on, there's a penalty for every misstep. The objective here is to get your entire team safely across the minefield. That's a misstep. That's one penalty. One step in any direction of the mine. That was two. Safe, new learning. Safe, new learning. Old learning. Some people are really good at the strategy, at making the plan, and then they get out there to implement it, and it's like, whoa, what are you doing? What are you supposed to do? And so that's where most of you lost ground or lost time, was that when you actually got in there to implement it, that it was like then the power struggle started. Did you notice that in many cases where you had people lined up along the side or checking a certain area of the minefield, that sometimes what would happen is that someone else would start trying to take over their territory and start giving conflicting instructions. Conflicting instructions. So even though you were designated a responsibility, oftentimes that responsibility, someone else tried to usurp it, or they didn't want to pay any attention to you because what do you know anyway? It's only your area of expertise.